Remove the makeup with the makeup remover. Operate for 3 minutes. Clean the face with face wash for 2 minutes. Apply toner. Apply the cotton pads with blackhead export liquid on T-zone. Plus hot steam. Operate for 3 to 5 minutes. Please note, those with sensitive skin are not advised to use blackhead export liquid, but toner instead. Remove the cotton pads. Microdermabrasion to cleanse pores. Select the round tip and install it on the handle. Please note, the black rubber ring and cotton filter must be installed before operation, otherwise there will be no suction. Move the prop in a fixed rotation at forehead for 1 time. Please note, keep the operating area moist during the operation. Do not operate at the dry area. Then move the prop slowly at forehead for 1 time. Operate at the nose. Move the prop in a fixed rotation at the nose for 1 time. Move the prop slowly at the nose wings from up to down for 1 to 2 times. Operate at the chin. Move the prop in a fixed rotation at the chin for 1 time. Move the prop slowly from the chin to each side for 1 to 2 times. Stop device. Replace the round tip with the pointed tip, then start. On one side, move the prop slowly at the laser further from up to down for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Stop the device. Replace the pointed tip with the big tip, then start. Move the prop in a fixed rotation at the cheeks for 1 to 2 times. The section level is advised to be low to avoid getting red or purple marks. Facial lifting. Lift from the jawline to the earlobe, from the mouth collar to the ear gate, from the nasolabial folds to the cheeks, one line next to another. Do the same to the other side. Lift from the periocular area to the hairline, from the forehead to the hairline. Please note, operate in gentle force to avoid pain and getting red or purple marks. Turn on the skin scrubber. Select Mode 1. Get the face wet with cotton pad. Move slowly the skin scrubber in a 45-degree tilted from the below the jawline to the lips, to the mouth collar, to the nose wing, to the below the inner corner of the eye, to the temple, one line next to another. Operate for 3 times. Please note, keep the operating area moist during the operation, otherwise there's no effect. Move slowly upwards from the nasal fossa at nose for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Move slowly from the forehead to the hairline for 3 times. Clean the face. Apply moisturizing base mask and face evenly. Use the PDT photon lamp device. Put the eye mask on customer's eyes. Put the device over the customer's head. Open the infusion hole to infuse pure water. Please note, it must be pure water or distilled water to avoid any fault. Turn on the device. Start hot steam mode. Select green light. Set the time to 10 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes. Turn off the device and take down the device. Remove the base mask and clean the face. Apply proper eye essence on the periocular area. Nutrients infusion with eye ultrasound. On one side, move the probe in small circles from below the eyelid to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Please note, do not keep the probe at one same area for more than 3 seconds during operation, to avoid get skin scalded. Lift from the inner corner of the eye, along the below the eyelid to the temple for 3 times. Combined with one hand, lift from the inner corner of the eye to the hairline for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Turn off the device. Take down the eye ultrasound handle and connect the face ultrasound handle. Apply hyaluronic acid essence on the face evenly. Move in circles horizontally from the chin to the earlobe, from the mouth collar to the ear gate, from the nose wing to the temple for 3 times. Lift from the chin to the temple, one line next to another for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Move in small circles from the forehead to hairline for 3 times. Move in small circles from the left to the right at the forehead for 3 times. Move in small circles from the left to the right at the forehead for 3 times. Apply the eye mask and facial mask. Lift back and forwards, from the chin to the earlobe, from the mouth collar to the ear gate, from the nose wing to the temple. Please note, during the operation of the cold and hot hammer, do not cover the air outlet of the handle, to avoid the heating probe getting the skin scalded. Do the same to the other side. Lift back and forth from the forehead to the hairline. Remove the masks and clean the face. Apply the facial mask. Use the PDT photon lamp device. Put the eye mask on the customer's eyes. Put the device over the customer's head. Connect power. Turn on the device. Select red and blue light. Set the time to 15 minutes. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the facial mask and clean the face.